Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be getting my hair colored after a very long time. You guys can see that I have some color already on my hair, but it has gone down as my length has increased over time. And I am going to do this hair color today at home. It's going to be a very short video. Basically, I'm going to just be sharing with you guys like what's my personal opinion regarding this brand that I'm going to be trying. So the brand claims that it is an at-home hair color that is apparently salon quality. Let me show you guys which brand I'm talking about, and then we'll see if it lives up to its promise, right? So the hair color brand that I'm using today is IGK color Surf Club, and the shade I'm using is light cool blonde. The reason I'm using this shade is because I want my hair to be a little lighter without using bleach, that's why. But my hair is black, so I'm just hoping to get a little bit of lift, a little bit of blondish lift on my hair, and to get rid of the oranginess, brassiness that is left from the previous hair color on my hair. So it is an expensive box dye. It is $25, but the claims are it is salon born and colorist approved. It's a next generation at home hair color. It is supposed to give you this salon quality hair color, but you do it at home, so you don't need to go to the salon. It is vegan, not tested on animals, and it's gluten free. It claims to give you 15 times more shine, 88% softer and smoother hair, and 40% reduced breakage. It contains squalene for moisturizing your hair, orchid extracts for softness, and bamboo extracts for making your hair stronger. So basically it's a box dye, but it's a more luxurious box dye, you can say, because it's pretty expensive. So I'm hoping really good results. There's nothing to really talk about because everybody knows how box colors work, and I'm going to show you what it comes with inside. Then I'm going to quickly color my hair, wash my hair, condition my hair, and then show you guys the result. I'm not going to make the video too long, but I'm just going to give you guys my personal opinion regarding this color in the end of this video, and let you guys know that if you should be investing in a more expensive box dye when you don't want to spend a lot of money in the salon. So, but one thing I must say, that if you can afford it, go get your hair colored in the salon. That's the best way to get your desired results, and your hair will look much better if you do it in the salon, because they know what they're doing. But if you're like me, someone like me, and you just want to do something at home, then you can try it, but you have to see the entire video, and we'll see together what the results are and if it's actually worth the price tag. So yeah, let's get into the video. Just to let you guys know that you have to color your hair in unwashed hair. So I didn't wash my hair. I think it's the third day today. So I'm going to just section my hair and apply the hair color now. So the sectioning wasn't really working for me because it was just staying too long, so I just opened everything and slathered the color all over my hair. Now what I'm going to do is use a wide tooth comb and brush so that everything is distributed evenly, and then I'm going to cover my hair with a shower cap and wait 45 minutes. That's the timing for this hair color. wait 45 minutes and then wash my hair and put on the conditioner, and let's see how the color looks. Remember to wear a t-shirt that you're not going to wear outside, or you don't fear about it getting, destroyed. Something black is preferable. And don't forget to use the barrier protection cream on your face. And if anything gets on your face, you have this stain removing cleanser, so you can wipe off all the color from your face so that you don't have any allergic reaction or anything. Alright guys, so here's the final look. This is how it came out. I washed my hair, used the conditioner they provided, and just blow dried my hair. And this is how the color is looking. So my final thoughts are, well, it came a little orangey, but I don't mind. I mean, it's okay. Especially in the camera, it's looking like a little bit more orangey, but in person it has a more brown tone to it, and that was expected because my hair is black. So I wasn't expecting like to get the ash blonde color completely. I just wanted a little bit lift without the bleach, and I think I got it. It's not bad. I mean, I'm okay with it. It's looking really nice in person, and in the daylight it's looking quite good. Now here's my final verdict regarding the IGK color. For box dye, even though it's salon born, colorist approved, I think it is pretty expensive, because I didn't see something that would like really blow my mind away, like the 15 times more shine and 88% softer and smoother hair. It's okay. It's nothing that would blow my mind. I think for the price we can get similar results with a cheaper brand. So I don't know if I would recommend it, just because I think it's a little bit more on the expensive side. And I'm okay with the color for now. Maybe later when it becomes a little bit more orangey, I'll have to add a toner to my hair to cool it down a little bit. So yeah, that's my final thoughts about the IGK color. But you guys, if you want to try it, you can try it. I mean, at least the color is showing on my hair, which is good. It's a little bit, it's looking now nice. I didn't apply completely closely to my roots, just in fear of the hair fall. I did have a little bit of hair fall, but that was to be expected when coloring your hair. And maybe there are like some spots that are still black, because I'm not a professional, so I couldn't apply it like seamlessly and cover all the hair. I tried my best, but so there might be some uneven spots left. And since I had some color from before in my hair, those have lightened up a little bit more. But overall it's okay. I mean, you can try it. It's not the best out there, but worth a try. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked my review, and let me know what you think about my new hair shade in the comments below. I will see you guys soon in another video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.